Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So I'm going to show you the MVH 2400 NEX Android Auto and CarPlay system installed on an Audi A3 2013. So we also installed here a backup camera. So first we're going to show you the camera. We have drilled the camera flash mounted just next to the handle. And now we're going to show you the radio. So we use the metal dash kit for this radio, but we also use the Maestro module for all the vehicle functions. So we're gonna put first of all the key on. We have the nice dash kit, sits flat and nice. Okay, when you put the vehicle in reverse, here the picture showing on the screen. We can see the bumper here. We can see the lines from the camera. I put it back into park. We have regular functions. We have all the steering wheel controls are working. That's all done through the Maestro. We have basically also the voice commands if we have a phone connected. So that will give you the Siri and the Android Auto for the Google. Right now we can see the phone is not connected. There's no phone connected here. We also have, this is the MVH 2400, does not have a CD. So just clean, nice 7-inch system, but no CD. We're gonna go to car features. We can see the gauges. We can go to car info. We can see tire pressure. Car is not running right now, so, and maybe this vehicle does not have a tire pressure. And we can see the voltage of the battery. If there are any engine lights, we're gonna see them here, and we're able to, if the engine light code is there, you can try to erase it. If there's, sometimes you have engine light issues that just pops out, but there's not real issue, that will erase it. If there is still an issue, then you have to talk to your mechanic. I'm gonna start the car. Let's see the features again. Again, even when the car is running, still put the car in reverse. You're gonna have the picture clean, not flickery, no issues. Let's go to the vehicle features again. Car features. Now we can see the gauges are moving because the vehicle is running. Different type, you can set different type of gauges if you want. Okay, we can see the voltage of the battery has changed because the vehicle is running, and again no engine light. Pioneer systems can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.